What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to reset Google Chrome to its default settings. Over time, as you use Google Chrome, you may end up making various changes to its settings, whether it's installing extensions, tweaking privacy options, or adjusting different preferences. First, open up Google Chrome if you don't already have it open. Now, look towards the top right corner of the Chrome window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu button that lets you access various Chrome features and settings. Go ahead and click on the 3 dots and a drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down this list until you find the settings option and click on it. This will open a new page in Chrome where you can adjust all the settings related to your browser, from privacy and security options to appearance and startup settings. Once you are in the settings page, look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a side menu with different categories such as privacy and security, appearance and extensions. Scroll down this menu until you find an option called Reset Settings. Click on Reset Settings and you'll see a few options appear. What we're looking for here is the one that says Restore settings to their original defaults. This option will reset all Chrome settings back to how they were when you first installed the browser. If you're ready to proceed and understand the changes that will take place, simply click on the Reset Settings button at the bottom of the pop-up window. Once you click this, Chrome will begin the process of restoring everything back to its original settings. This reset process only takes a few moments, and once it's complete, Chrome will be back to its default state. After the reset, Chrome will look and behave just like it did when you first installed it. Any extensions you had installed will be disabled, but they can be re-enabled by going to the extensions menu if you still need them. Your browser settings, like your homepage, search engine and tabs will be restored to their default configurations. Additionally, if you use Chrome across multiple devices with a synced Google account, these settings changes will only apply to the device you're working on. The reset won't affect your settings on other devices, unless you chose to reset them there as well. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.